Audio Jungle.
Vidya Bharati.
Of Ma Sarada, today we all have gathered here for Sankul level spoken English competition. I am Damodar Sharma. I wish you all a very cheerful morning. In the chain of introduction, I would like introduce first Mr. कान सिंह जी सोलंकी, युवा जिला व्यवस्थापक और भारतीय शिक्षा समिति गंगापुर सिटी। मिस्टर मनमोहन दादी, युवा उपाध्यक्ष और भारतीय शिक्षा समिति गंगापुर सिटी। मिस्टर महेंद्र कुमार जैन, युवा जिला निरीक्षक और भारतीय शिक्षा समिति गंगापुर सिटी। मिस्टर ओम प्रकाश जी चोपड़ा, युवा संरक्षक ऑफ शहीद रिपुदमन सिंह आदर्श विद्या मंदिर एंड गर्ल्स आदर्श विद्या मंदिर। मिस्टर अंशराज जी वैष्णव, युवा प्रिंसिपल ऑफ गर्ल्स सीनियर सेकेंडरी आदर्श विद्या मंदिर पान टाउन। मिसेज सुमन श्रीमाल, युवा प्रिंसिपल ऑफ गर्ल्स सेकेंडरी स्कूल शहर। मिस्टर कृष्णावतार शर्मा, युवा लेक्चरर ऑफ गवर्नमेंट सीनियर सेकेंडरी स्कूल पुस्तला। मिस्टर महेंद्र कुमार सिंधी, युवा लेक्चरर ऑफ गर्ल्स गवर्नमेंट सीनियर सेकेंडरी स्कूल शहर। मिस्टर हरे कृष्ण जी शर्मा, प्रिंसिपल ऑफ प्राइमरी आदर्श विद्या मंदिर सिटी। रमेश चंद्र मुर्गा, युवा प्रिंसिपल ऑफ सेकेंडरी स्कूल सेकेंडरी आदर्श विद्या मंदिर चौथका बरवाड़ा।
On the occasion of spoken competition, respected Mr. कान सिंह जी सोलंकी, जिला व्यवस्थापक भारतीय शिक्षा समिति गंगापुर सिटी, ओम प्रकाश जी चोपड़ा, हंसराज जी वैष्णव and other judges, esteemed judges, teachers and our talented participants. I welcome you on the behalf of the principal of Shahid Ripudaman Singh Senior Secondary Adarsh Vidya Mandir and management of committee of the name of Bharatiya Shiksha Samiti Gangapur City. First, I would like to call on stage Mr. कान सिंह जी सोलंकी to honor Mr. Krishnavatar ji Sharma in a world where the ability to express oneself eloquently is paramount. This competition serves as a platform for our young speaker to sunshine. Before we commence, let us extend our heartfelt gratitude to all the individuals and organizations and Bharatiya Shiksha Samiti Gangapur City and many other persons who have come here in this spoken competition. Let me brief the rules and format of today's competition. First of all, there are 5 rounds in this English spoken competition. The first round, for every group there is 5 rounds. A letter was sent to before all the schools of Adarsh Vidya Mandirs by Bharatiya Shiksha Samiti Gangapur City, and all rules and regulations were sent to all the Adarsh Vidya Mandir schools. So all you know very well about about the rules and regulations of spoken English competition. So I would like to tell again the all rules of spoken English competition. First of all, the first round, each pair of two contestants have to come on the podium and pick a cheat from the ball. Pick a cheat from the ball. You can see there is a ball, and you can pick up a cheat from the ball. And kept over here, they will begin 2 minutes to create a conversation on the given topic in the cheat. After 2 minutes, they have to present their conversation in front of the audience and all the judges. It's a first round. Are you understanding me or not? Yes. Okay, it's the same. Second round is that each participant will have a designated amount of time, means 3 minutes to deliver their speech on the topic which will be given on the sheet picked by the participant. Our esteemed panel of judges will evaluate them based on the criteria such as content, delivery and overall presentation. So I request to all the judges will elaborate these based on criteria such as content, delivery and overall presentations. And third question, participant will have to recite a poem with rhythm and rhyme. It's the third round. Are you understanding all the participants? Yes. Okay, first round, second round and third round. I have told you, okay? And the fourth round, each contestant will have to present a self-introduction in a minimum 20 lines is compulsory for every participant. Okay? And in the fifth round, last participant has to perform a debate competition. Debate from opposite teams against teams. And for junior work, this is for storytelling. Some words will be given on the sheet and you will have to make a story for all the words. For junior group. And the senior group, there is a group. Again, next question for debate competition. Okay, some points will be given on the sheet and you will have to perform debate. Okay, these 5 rounds I have told all of you. Are you understanding or not? Yes. Okay. First, I thank to Mr. Bharati Shiksha Samiti, Gangapur City. I am very thankful for giving me opportunity for this to hosting a spoken English competition for today. And I am also thankful to all the principal, headmaster.
All of you. I am a teacher.
Good morning, all of you. I am a student.
Show me your homework notebook.
Sorry, sir. I forget to complete my homework.
It is not that last time. You often don't do homework properly.
So, please, sir, don't. Yes, it's me.
What are you doing here? Where are you coming from?
I am coming from my summer vacations.
Yeah, me also. You know this new plane is so amazing, awesome and so comfortable and so fast. Yeah, it's so wonderful. How are you? I am fine. What about you?
Get up, Anita. It's 5 o'clock.
It's too early, Mom.
You have your science exam today. Get up and revise your course.
I will get up in 2 minutes.
Hurry up and wash your face.
I wash my face in 2 minutes.
I shall get milk for you.
I said, okay.
Good morning, doctor. I don't feel good.
Come and sit here. Open your mouth. Since how long are you not so feeling it?
Since yesterday.
No problem. Did you have months yesterday?
No, doctor. I'm not so feeling. Doctor, I feel weak and do not feeling eating.
Okay, and what is?
Doctor, I feel like vomiting.
Do you drink a lot of water?
Doctor, yes, doctor. I feel I don't have water too much.
I took in medicines.
Yes, doctor. I took a crossing.
Why you take it?
No, doctor. I took it myself.
Why did you take it?
Hello Areen, nice to see you.
Where are you going?
I am going to Delhi. My cousins attend to marriage. And what about you?
I am also going to Delhi. You will be glad to know that I have.
How it is impossible? I think you have not completed your homework and I just an excuse.
Sorry sir. In fact, I had to go to my uncle yesterday.
Do you prefer other things to your studies? Very strange thing.
My father asked me to go there.
They tried after coming back.
There are innumerable advantages and disadvantages of mobile phone. Due to having internet on mobile phone, we can easily access the news of the country and the world. With the help of mobile phone, we are always in touch with our friends and relatives. We are also available in social media with the help of mobile phones applications like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, etc. Due to having there are many features in mobile phone there and we can track someone, we can find the location with each other and can be reached easily. And there are many features in mobile phone.
I read in class 8. I will deliver a short speech on online education. Online education is a
Device that executes commands issued by the user. A program is a set of instructions delivered to a computer by the user. The first mechanical computer was constructed by Charles Babbage called an analytical engine. Hence he is recognized as the father of the computer.
Please come on stage to perform your.
Computer is an electronic device that was discovered by Charles Babbage. He was now as the father of computer. He is now father of computer. There are various parts to a computer. The four major parts of computer are the mouse, keyboard, monitor and CPU. A computer is a machine that can be programmed to solve hundreds of years old. I read in ABM School Vivekananda from of a class. I like to play cricket and read in books. My favorite cricketer name is Mr. Rohit Sharma. I am from Sherpur Principal Savai Madhupur. I am live for joint family.
My name is Priyanshi Kaur. I read in class 7. I live in Swarmalpur. My father name is Mr. Dharmendra Singh Rajavan and he is a policeman. My mother name is Mrs. Rekha Kaur and she is a housewife. I want to become a judge. My strength is a self-confidence. My hobby is playing badminton and reading books. There are 5 members in my family. My favorite game is badminton. I play it every day in the afternoon. I am an honest girl. I never tell a lie. I obey my parents and teachers and always try to listen to their advice. I want to serve my nation by becoming a judge. That's all about me. Thank you.
Sir, only one participant. There is no need of other.
बोलना चाहे तो दोनों से कोई बोल सकता है
Optional है.
तो बोल सकता है
Depend on optional. Anyone can speak. Madhav squared.
My birthday is on the 15th November 2012. My father name is Mr. Madhusudan Sharma. My mother name is Mrs. Shima Sharma. He is a shopkeeper. She is a housewife. I have 2 sisters. My sister name is Vishakha Sharma and Ruchi Sharma. My favorite play is Kabaddi. My favorite subject is English and Math. My favorite teacher name is Mr. Ram Sevakji Gupta. There are 5 members in my family. student. I read in class 5th. My father name is Pawan Kumar Nama. My father is a supplier. My mother name is Neha Nama. My mother is a housewife. I have one brother. My brother name is Jagat Nama. My brother is a student. My brother read his 10th class. My grandfather name is Kailash Nama. My grandfather is a
All of you. My name is Ritika Nama. I am 14 years old. I study in 8th class. I live in city Samay Madhupur. My father name is Mr. Ramakrishnan Nama. My father is a tailor. My mother name is Mrs. Megha Nama. My mother is a housewife. My one brother and one sister. My school name is Bali Girls Senior Secondary Adarsh Vidya Mandir. My favorite subject is English. My favorite
Yes, Chandra Purvia. My father name is Mr. Babulal Meena and my mother name is Mrs. Archana Meena. My father is a teacher of government school. My mother is a housewife. I have a brother and sister. I am a simple student. I attend my classes regularly. I go to school 7 o'clock and back to home 2 o'clock. I have many friends, but Suman is my best friend. I aim to like a teacher. I aim to teacher to be my father.
Raising one's family. Thus the moral strength to the family. Thus are the future of every nation. Thus means a little amount of care, a handful of barn, a handful of love. Education will help the family.
Keep the fire of freedom burning in your land. Keep the fire of freedom burning in your land. Keep the fire of freedom burning in your land. La 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 la. Keep the fire of freedom burning in your land. La 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 la. For the moment can do, it will only depend on you. Keep the fire of freedom burning in your land. Keep the fire of freedom burning in your land. Keep it glowing in your heart, la 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 la. Keep it glowing in your heart, la la la. For it's just a simple choice to obey the given word. Keep the fire of freedom burning in your land. Keep the fire of freedom burning in your land. Keep it blazing around the world, la 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 la. Keep it blazing around the world, la 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 la. Keep it blazing around the world, la 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 la. Keep it blazing around the world, la 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 la. For no matter what you do, it all comes back to you. Let your fire of freedom burn in your land. Keep the fire of freedom burning in your land. Keep the fire of freedom burning in your land. Thank you so much.
Roses are red, violets are blue, sugar is sweet, and so are you, and so are you. At the crossroad can be seen three bright lights, red, yellow, and green. Three bright lights, red, yellow, and green. Stop says the red, there traffic ahead. Stop says the red, there traffic ahead. Yellow says the red, you won't be late, you won't be late, you won't be late. Green says the go, don't be slow. It's safe and clear, have no fear, have no fear, have no fear.
We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We'll walk hand in hand, we'll walk hand in hand, we'll walk hand in hand someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe someday. We shall live in peace. We shall live in peace. We shall live in peace someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall live in peace someday. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you very much. Let's be grateful to one and all. Thank you very much. Let's thank you to our mommy and daddy for this beautiful life. Always working hard with a smile. Thank you very much. Mommy, thank you. Daddy, thank you. Thank you very much. Let's be grateful to one and all. Thank you very much. Let's thank you to our teachers. Thank you very much. Let's be grateful to one and all. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Red, 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 touch your head. Blue, 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 tie your shoe. Brown, 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 touch the ground. White, 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 take a bite. Black, 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 touch your back. Purple, 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 draw a circle. Pink, 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 give a wink. Thank you for your time.
There was a fox. One day it was very great, very once upon a time there was a fox. One day it was very hungry. It saw here and there in search of food. It went to a vineyard. It saw a grapes and it want to be eat. And the fox try again and again, but fox not eat it. The fox go away and saying, the grapes are to be sour. The grapes are to be sour. Thanks.
And there in search of water. After some time it reached the water. It saw a pitcher. There it flew. There was a little water in it. Its beak could not reach the water. The crocodile leapt out of a pond. It collected some pebbles. It dropped them into the pitcher one by one. The water came up. It drank water and flew away. It was very happy. Moral: necessity is the mother of invention. Thank you. He got a piece of bread. He went to eat it alone. He was crossing a river. He saw its reflection in the water. He threw that and another dog. He was. There is a fox when it was very hungry. It went here and there in search of food. When in search of food, it went to vineyard. It saw a bunch of ripe sweet grapes. It wanted to eat them. It was very happy. But the bunch of grapes was very high. Grapes was very hard. Still there was a bridge over the stream. That dog was fishing. The bridge saw its reflection in the water. The dog thought that it was another a piece of bone. The dog was greedy. It wanted to take it also. It began to bark. Its piece fell into the water. It was very sad. Moral: don't be greedy. Thank you very much.
First round of spoken English competition for junior squad has been completed. Okay, first I am giving 5 minutes for judges to total the marks of all participants.
Honorable Chief Guest, students, I know that you hate speeches. You don't want to listen speeches during competitions. I just only want to say that don't so you all are winners because you tried very well.
How can I help
Doctor
you?
patient.
I am suffering from headache since morning.
Do you have any medicine?
Yes, doctor, but still not getting better.
You running your nose? Let me check it.
Is it not something doctor serious?
I think sinus infection of your case or headache.
Thank you, doctor.
Thank you.
Because you can see according to Ben.
If you want to perform, then speak on the topic railway inquiry.
Only railway inquiry. Okay, you cannot speak on the topic dialogue between two friends. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody. I am Vaidehi and she is Riya. We are presenting a conversation as two friends. Or railway inquiry.
It depends on judges.
Railway inquiry.
General railway inquiry.
Okay. Hi, what is your name? My name is Riya and your? I am Vaidehi. So Vaidehi, where are you going? I am going to my relative's house. And you? I am going to meet my friends. Okay. So Riya, where are you from? I am from Delhi and you? I am from Mumbai. Oh, that's a nice place. Yes, Delhi is also a nice place. I want to visit there once. Yeah, then you are welcome in Delhi. You are also welcome in Mumbai. Anytime. Yeah, I will definitely come there. So you know what? I feel discomfort in traveling in train. Yes, it's true. Every time boys are staring and the train is full of crowd. Yes, it's true, but what can be done? Yes. So I also feel uncomfortable to sit. Yes. Yeah. Okay, bye. My station here. Okay, bye. But we. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Same here. Thank you.
Number. Understand?
I want two cakes of Luxor. Please, how much? 10 rupees. What else do you want? Why 10 rupees? Luxor is a 4 rupees per cake. Look, it is printed here. Okay, pay 8 rupees. What else do you want? Do you have refined oil? Yes. Which brand do you want? I want the Dhara 1 kg and sugar 1 kg also. This is Dhara 1 kg and sugar is how much? Okay, give me that one and give me the shampoo also. Which one do you want? Should I give this color shampoo? What is the price of the shampoo? 65 rupees and there is 5 rupees discount on it. This cost 60 rupees. Alright, give me that one. And which brand of product do you have? What else do you want? Suraj, Rajbhog and last time I used Suraj brand but I didn't like it. Try Rajbhog. It's like homemade flour. Okay, give me 10 kilos. Do you have home delivery? Yes, up to 5 kilometers. Okay.
Good afternoon, all of you. It's It's 5 o'clock.
It's really
You have science exam today and revise your lesson.
okay, mommy. I will get up in 2 minutes.
Hurry up and wash your face. Meanwhile, I will get milk for you.
Yes, I did.
Did you take out your clothes last night, Nali?
Okay.
And your shoes polish there?
No, I forget to polish up.
I want to introduce Mr. Gopalji Sharma, Superintendent Radiographer. We are very thankful to you for this spoken English competition. And Sri Lakshmi Narayan ji, retired engineer. We also thank to you behalf of the school and all the students and judges and all chief guests. Next in the chain of
immunity. Medical sciences also surprised us by inventing medicines, better diseases. The invention of computer made our life simple and easier. Science is made also dangerous invention, nuclear weapon, hydrogen bomb, and it's destroyed everything in seconds. The invention of mobile, TV, internet, it is we can reach any part of the world, anywhere. Electricity is amazing invention of science. धन्यवाद.
Good morning everyone, respected guests, teachers and principals. Today I am here to give a speech on the achievement of India in science and technology. The achievement of India in science and technology are well known around the world. The achievement of India in the field of science and technology are endless, and the Green Revolution was the achievement of India that is ended the dependency on other countries for food and grain. After independence, the country needed modern agriculture, development, technology and high yielding seeds to increase the crop production. And to tackle this situation, agro-scientists developed tools and techniques to increase the high production in crop agriculture. And one of the largest achievement of the India is that it has built the aircraft, armed tanks, EV systems and missiles. And our first Aryabhat satellite launched in 1975, and the Department of Electronics established in India 1970, and India is the largest exporter of IT sectors, and India is the most exporter of IT sectors, and the Tata company is ranked among the top 10 IT companies in the world, and many India's contributor of science and technology received global recognition in the form of award and nomination. Total 12 Indians have received the Nobel Prize for their contribution in India, and scientists work hard every day to develop our country in technology and achieve the level of the other country in the technology. Thanks.
A very good afternoon to everyone who is presented here. I, Prashant Mathur, feeling very honored to stand here and want to express my views on Chandrayaan 3. India's first lunar exploration mission Chandrayaan. India's ambitious Chandrayaan lunar exploration mission has been a stunning success for NASA's space program. Not only has this mission demonstrated India's technological prowess, but also its commitment to leading the way in space exploration. The Chandrayaan mission was launched by the Indian Space Research Organization. It was launched on 14 July 2023, and the Vikram rover performed a successful soft landing on the south pole of the moon on 23 August 2023. It also sought to identify kinds of objects that may be found on the moon. An important finding in the field, lunar exploration, was made possible by Chandrayaan instruments, which discovered the existence of water molecules on the moon's surface. It was significant advancement in India's audacious plan to advance science and learn more about the moon. People feel great sense that India's national pride as a result to this significant accomplishment. The objectives of Chandrayaan 3 mission include scientific experimentation, a soft and safe lunar surface landing, and lunar rover roving. The point where the Chandrayaan 3 has landed is declared a Shiv Shakti point by the Indian government. Thank you.
Giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Sundar. I am 17 years old. I am I study 12th class agriculture. I belong to a nuclear family. My father's name is Mr. Anil Karmat and my mother's name is Mrs. Radha Devi. My father is a farmer and my mother is a housewife. My short long-term goal is to a job in agriculture research, in agriculture supervisor, and my long-term goal is to get a job in agriculture scientist. My strengths are I am self-motivating person and I have strong communication skill about it. My hobbies are reading and listening music and reading. I love helping and educating and meeting people and needs. I am very also organized regarding my work. That's all about it.
Hello everyone, thanks for giving me this opportunity to speak in front of you. I like to tell about myself. My name is Prakshi. I study in class 9. My father's name is Mr. Baldev Singh and he is a policeman. My mother's name is Mrs. Indra Singh and she is a housewife. There are 14 members in my family. I obey my parents, teachers and also always listen to their advice. I like to spend my time with my family because I enjoy the company of them and I also learn ethics and social values. I get up early in the morning. I am very punctual and disciplined girl. And I am a bright student. I am very fond of eating and like to eat like pani puris, lots of pani puris, pastries and cakes. I have a special bonding with my friends and I share everything with them. I want to be kind, humble and always want to help everyone. I want to be successful in my life and achieve my dreams. Thank you. That's all about me.
Okay, start.
Good afternoon everyone. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Piyu Goyal. My name is Piyu Goyal. I am 16 years old. My father name is Mr. Lalit Goyal. He is a shopkeeper and my mother name is Mrs. Sunita Goyal. She is a housewife. Talking about my studies, I am a student of class 11th. I read in Shahid Budman High Secondary Adarsh Vidya Mandir. And my favorite subject is biology. I want to become a doctor and my favorite country is India because I am Indian and I am proud to be an Indian. And my parents and my teachers are my ability of my strength. That's all about me. Thank you.
Respected Chairperson, Principal Sir and members of the jury, teacher and my dear friends. A very good afternoon. Good afternoon, all of you. My name is Bhumi Gola. My father name is Mr. Vijay Gola. My mother name is Mrs. Anita Gola. My father is a carpenter. My mother is a housewife. I have two brothers. I am 40 years old. I read in class 9. I read in Girls Senior Secondary Adarsh Vidya Mandir School. I live in city Savai Madhopur. There are five members in my family. Thank you.
Okay, this third one read.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. There goes Chandrayaan to Chandrama with the scientific vision for the unveil mission to unveil the mystery to create a history. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Carry out experiments of all logic to implement all head behind the
on your side. Rise India, rise, this is time to shine. Thought you feel like hope is gone, Jesus is your light. Rise India, rise, God has your prize. No matter what the situation, God's on your side. Rise India, rise, this is time to shine. Thought you feel like hope is gone, Jesus is your light. La 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 la. La 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 la. Colorful India, what was the vision? Where is the passion you once knew? To the non-violence, you took the stand, but seems that you are losing ground. Even your darkness have a overcoming power. Turn things around for you. Rise India, rise, God has your prize. No matter what the situation, God's on your side. Rise India, rise, this is time to shine. Thought you feel like hope is gone and Jesus is your light. It was in the valley of the bitter Himalayas. Music of the Yamuna Ganga. Dance on the waves of the Indian Ocean. Rise India, rise. La 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 la. 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 Quran is real. La 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 la. Hands together. Rise India, rise. Rise India, rise. God has your prize. No matter what the situation, God's on your side. Rise India, rise. This is time to shine. Thought you feel like hope is gone, Jesus your side. Thank you.
We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We walk hand in hand, we walk hand in hand, we walk hand in hand someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We are not afraid, we are not afraid, we are not afraid today. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall live in peace, we shall live in peace, we shall live in peace someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall overcome someday. Thanks.
We go round the mango tree, the mango tree, the mango tree. On a warm and sunny morning, on a warm and sunny morning. This is the way we go to school, go to school, go to school. On a warm and sunny morning, on a warm and sunny morning. This is the way we clean our teeth, clean our teeth, clean our teeth. On a warm and sunny morning, on a warm and sunny morning. This is the way we wash our hands, wash our hands, wash our hands. On a warm and sunny morning, on a warm and sunny morning. This is the way we drink our tea, drink our tea, drink our tea. On a warm and sunny morning, on a warm and sunny morning. Here we go round the mango tree, the mango tree, the mango tree. On a warm and sunny morning, on a warm and sunny morning.
I am in favor of ban of use of mobile, and I am asking to you that how a phone is good for a student.
Yes, cell phone is good for students because phones are give more than general knowledge, and
You say that phone is giving us a general knowledge, but you don't deny that phone, because of the use of the phone, we can't concentrate on studies. And what's the view about it?
No, sorry. It's not generally because how to do you use it. Compulsory. You are doing good use it. So you are going. We don't.
So first you ask agreement of it.
Now you see your experience that the youngster isolated themselves from their family, and when they are doing with the phones alone and constantly chatting and texting to the anyone, and who know what they are watching in the phone, and they are also they isolated themselves from their families, and the more use of phone, it puts a bad effect on the students also, and so that it's because of it we may lose our eyesight, and we can't concentrate on our work also. So that I am asking to you that what our opinion in that case, that phone is good for the student and also for the men, women who use it.
Men and women generally are.
Yes, I am asking to you. What men say? Yes.
Always use the phone
Because I am asking to you, because what is the bad effect?
not any benefit. Whenever you use your mobile, good and effects are good.
Yes. And
Mobiles are it's for good for our study and it's.
but we lost our concentration on the study. What is your opinion about it? And we lost our eyesight in that case. So what can you say about it?
You are mostly used for play store any games. It's not that.
No. The online games puts a bad effect on us, and because of this we wasted our time. So I think that it is not right thing.
Okay, you may go. Okay, time is over. You may go.
A joint family is a kind of a crowd.
No, it's not like that. In joint family, you get love and support of your elders.
But there are no personal attention is paid to the members.
No, in living in, I also live in joint family, and I get attention of my parents as well.
But the joint family is farm in the progress of children. In the is fast life.
How can you say that? Like, it's not like that. I am also living in joint family. It's not like that. I am doing whatever I wanted to do, and my parents are supporting in these things.
The joint family creates a negative approach in the members.
But in joint family has always provided us to a between a relations, and it is also be guide to how to we can progress and how to we can learn social works.
The elders forbid always the youngers for to do anything.
They are also we do this for their to teach their children to how to their defeat in society, and they learn their social responsibilities. They do it for their good deeds only. They stop doing things because of they're aware of society, how which type of society now.
Okay, stop. You may go. City life. You are favor or against?
In favor.
Favor. Okay, start.
We are in favor of city life because we said that there are many facilities near to our house. There are many schools, colleges, university near our house, and there are also many other facilities like transportation system. And one can travel from one place to another place, and we can see that when we talk about the village, there are many problems there, and unemployment is one of them. People have to face the many problems there, and we can see that people are migrating from village to the city to find their job and complete their basic need. And so they are migrating from the village to city. And I have a question for you that And how can you tell that a village life is better than a city life?
Firstly, I would like to tell you that our first sector is belongs to farmers, and our 80% of GDP is belongs to villages. So that's why we can say that village life is better, far better, because we get the pure environment and pure air. Because in city life we can't get a pure environment also. And now government do many things and to develop villages also.
But you can say that the environment, but the environment and the behavior of the city life person is very nice, and we can see.
No, it's not.
It is not.
No,
Yes.
it's not.
It's-
Village life.
It is right. And
No.
the behavior. It is right. The behavior
When
of
we
the city life is very nice.
live in a city, we don't know who is our neighbor.
Please talk to
No,
a
no.
single comment, okay? Single talk. Please talk to a single comment. Okay, start. Single comment.
We can see that the behavior of the city life person is very nice, and we see when we talk about the village life boys, so we can see that they are abusing and calling each other while walking on the road, and chasing the girls also, and they have bad habits also. They are smoking, and we can't say that the village person is the behavior of the village person is very nice. In my opinion, is that. How can you say about it?
They live together.
No, it is not a valid thing that they live together in the city life.
Their relation is very well as compared to cities.
We can see that in the city life, the people are also live together. Making sure that different people
No,
in the city life
but
also.
relation between city families are not like as we can see in
No. It
villages.
is not the. It is not. It is not the. We can see the
Or
different family in
you
the
are
city
talking
life also.
about the roadside. About crimes or cigarette chasing girls or like that. So it is happening in developed cities like Mumbai. You can take an example of Mumbai, Delhi. These are the most crimes are happening nowadays.
But apart from all these, we can say that the development areas are there in the city life also, and there are many cooperative areas, many shops and big corporative firms, so that there are many good job opportunities there, so that we can find there and earn money to complete their basic needs of our family. So what can you say that a village life is better than to a student and a person who has not a job?
You talk about industrialization. If you don't get raw material, what can you produce? Like you get raw materials from villages. So if you don't get raw materials, how can you produce things like goods? How can you make furnitures without goods, and without crops? How can you eat your meat?
This is not.
Your industry is dependent on farmer. If the farmer has not reduced this,
what we do for the raw material, and there is no industry in our area,
Like,
what we do for the raw material.
if the farmer has not provided you raw material, how do you can grow your GDP now? How do you can do your industries?
Give me the answer of this thing. Without raw material, how can you produce things? Like if you don't export it,
Opportunity. We have a thing that we can import this all the things from the foreign also.
No, farming will also be doing farming now.
City life is very important.
No, it is also dependent on farming.
Because the behavior of the city life is very nice. They believe in
Like,
the state.
if your farmer has not doing any work, but after that cities are dependent on villages. If the farmers has not
When we talk about the behavior of the city
I
life,
have a question for him. If you remove farmers from this world, how can you Guest, respect principle, all Meghanama. My mother is a housewife. My one brother and one sister. My school name is Bali Girls Senior Secondary Adarsh Vidya Mandir. My favorite subject in English. My favorite game is Kho-Kho. My favorite game is Kho-Kho. My favorite fruit is mango. My favorite color is blue. My favorite teacher is Mr. Ambika Sharma. My class teacher name is Mrs. Harmit Kaur. I am become to a army. Thank you all of you.
The last participant of this round. Not the last participant of this round.
Good morning, all respected teacher and my brother and sister. I am Ansa Meena. I read in Adarsh Vidya Mandir School. My favorite teacher. We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We'll walk hand in hand, we'll walk hand in hand, we'll walk hand in hand someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we'll walk hand in hand someday. We are not afraid, we are not afraid, we are not afraid today. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we are not afraid today. The truth shall make us free, the truth shall make us free, the truth shall make us free someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe the truth shall make us free someday. We shall live in peace, we shall live in peace, we shall live in peace someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall live in peace someday. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you very much. Let's be grateful to one and all. Thank you very much. Let's thank you to our mommy and daddy for this beautiful life. Always working hard with a smile. Thank you very much. Mommy, thank you. Daddy, thank you. Thank you very much. Let's be grateful to one and all. Thank you very much. Let's thank you to our teachers. Thank you very much. Let's be grateful to one and all. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Red, 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 touch your head. Blue, 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 tie your shoe. Brown, 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 touch the ground. White, 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 take a bite. Black, 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 touch your back. Purple, 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 draw a circle. Pink, 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 give a wink. Thank you very much.
Okay, sir.
Good morning, all of you. Thanks for giving me the opportunity. My name is Garima Agarwal. My story is Hamli.
So, no need of introduction. Please start all the story.
Once upon a time, there was a fox. One day it was very great, very once upon a time there was a fox. One day it was very hungry. It saw here and there in search of food. It went to a vineyard. It saw saw a grapes and it want to be eat and the fox try again and again but fox not eat it. The fox go away and saying the grapes are to be sour. The grapes are to be sour. Thanks.
This time Sankul competition. After that district competition. In your Sankul select some member and they go district level. Please try in English in your school. Upgrade your speaking power, speaking power. Upgrade. And then all. We are challenged to all school of district Savai Madhopur in English spoken course. Give him a hand.
Only for English speaking, not speaking Hindi. You can speak English in our home, from your mother, from your father, from your brother, and coming in the school you can speak in English. Our teachers, Guruji, Didi, you can speak English. Then you can say, I have a vrat. You can vrat. Mangalwar ka vrat, Shaniwar ka vrat, Somwar ka vrat. I have a vrat. English speaking. What is vrat? English speaking. I will be speaking English today. Your family members will proud you. Your teachers will proud you. Then you will English speaking keep in your heart as a habit. Then your English speaking will be improved. As a Hindi medium student can speak in English. This is a very important for we. Then we are
members, Mr. Khan Singh ji, Sir Dadi ji sir, and Mahendra ji, Principal Damodar ji, Suman madam, and all loving staff and dear students. You know that this block level competition is really a remarkable step of Adarsh Vidya Mandir. Now I can say that not only in this school there is a perfect education but also manner and service. And this is the motto of your school, Adarsh Vidya Mandir: education, culture, manners and service. Anyone who asks me that which is the topmost school in Hindi medium, I recommend Adarsh Vidya Mandir, because I know that really you deserve it. And on this day you perform like this, that you also perform and deserve not only in Hindi medium but also English medium. So it's my pleasure that I am very grateful all the sponsors and organizer that you make us judge in this competition. And I can say that some students are very disappointed, but now I said that you are all winners. You are all winners. Please, not
of this competition, a special mention to our respected chief guest, headmaster, judges, teachers. This English spoken competition today held was a very good competition and remarkable. All of participants trial was good, but till now there is more requirement to improve the spoken in English. Again, we are thankful on behalf of Jila Samiti and Vidyalaya Samiti and school family to all judges, teachers, principal, students to participate on this occasion. In the end, I would like to say that all participants work hard and don't lose hope due to failure. Thank you.
विद्याभारती वितरति नूनं विद्याभारती वितरति नूनं नवचैतन्य मनवरतं नवचैतन्य मनवरतं ऋषिपुत्रा इति विद्यमानं ऋषिपुत्रा इति विद्यमानं भवतु भारतं ननु भव्यं भवतु भारतं ननु भव्यं भवतु भारतं ननु भव्यं भवतु भारतं ननु भव्यं विद्यामन्दिरं तपोभूरिदं विद्यामन्दिरं तपोभूरिदं वीणावादिन्यः सदनं वीणावादिन्यः सदनं दृढसङ्कल्पितमनः पुनीतं दृढसङ्कल्पितमनः पुनीतं निर्मलप्राणः स्मितवदनं निर्मलप्राणः स्मितवदनं प्रखरबुद्धिरध्यात्मचेतना प्रखरबुद्धिरध्यात्मचेतना प्रसरतु विश्वे निरन्तरं प्रसरतु विश्वे निरन्तरं प्रसरतु विश्वे निरन्तरं प्रसरतु विश्वे निरन्तरं ऋषिपुत्रा इति विद्यमानं भवतु भारतं ननु